everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, puppies, and some life in there. I'm Laura. If you're new, I sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So it is Sunday morning. It was raining earlier. I think it's going to be off and on rain all day. So it's a little muggy out here. But we'll see. We'll see what the day should hold. Yesterday ended up being gorgeous, so we'll see. And for my outfit to kick off the week, I am casual and comfy. I have on a Z Supply outfit. So Z Supply shorts, and these are really great if you're looking for a cute little pull-on to take on vacation. They are lined, super fun, and they have a matching shirt, right? So matching button down. You could wear this closed, wear it open, tie it, and I like that it's just hitting right below the elbow and not full length. And then I also have on a Z Supply tank. This is just one of their ribbed tanks. Love the blue. For shoes, Sanooks. I put these on, keeping the comfort going for the day. And that's my outfit. I put on the necklace my husband got me, a small bracelet stack, and I'm off and running. I have a fall video to create for you guys, so hopefully it doesn't get too muggy until I can get through that one. I'll see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is beautiful outside, gorgeous, sun shining, 78 degrees, perfect pool day. Unfortunately, it's a work day, as always, right? All right, for my outfit today, I have on a Z Supply top, gotten a Wantable, paired with a Z Supply bottom. I think also came in a Wantable. This was this year. The shorts are from last year. Paired it with a color, so I do a color pop. My little Dolce Vitas came in a Trendsend probably 4 years ago. It's been a long time. Put on the necklace my husband got me, my bracelet stack, and I got my day started. It's already towards the end of the day, so I have a few more meetings. And yeah, it'll be Wednesday soon. I'll see you then. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is a little cooler today at 75, getting up to 77. No rain, so that's nice. Yesterday was so gorgeous. It was a beautiful day. And I think it's not supposed to rain until later today, so it's going to be probably like this for most of the day. For my outfit today, I was interested in just one and done because I was running a little bit late today and had an early meeting. So grabbed this dress from the loft. You may remember from one of my loft hauls. Paired it with my clear Dolce Vitas, which I love. I think they're on sale now. Go check them out if you want to grab them before the season's over. And my necklace my husband got me, a little bracelet stack. We're rocking and rolling. All right, I can't believe it's already over the hump, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is rainy outside, 70 degrees, getting up to 74. We're expecting like rain until like this evening. So it's kind of gray today. My loft haul posted yesterday. I sure hope you guys go check it out. Some really fun pieces as you start to think about transitioning for fall. That was a fun little visit by the birdie. Hopefully that caught that. It just flew like right here. And now he's gone. Okay. And for today's outfit, I have on a matching set, both from the loft, so top and bottom. Paired it with this adorable Melissa Neptune little jacket. I think this is like starting to think about fall vibes, but easily wear now, wear later. I got this from the Ever Eve store. And then for shoes, I have on my Sam Edelman gold. And then just the necklace my husband got me and my bracelet stack. And we're off to the races. All right, I will see you tomorrow for Friday. Hey everybody, it is Friday and it is gorgeous outside. Absolutely beautiful. 65 degrees, getting up to 78 today. I think the rain's gonna hold off till later tonight. For my Friday funny, it's hilarious how some of the habits that Loki has are very similar or the same as Wyatt's. And this is an example where he loves to get on that top step. That's where Wyatt loved to be, on that top step. Didn't want to go past the top step. Loki's a little more adventurous, but on his own, top step is where he usually stops. And they like to drink pool water, which I used to yell at Wyatt all the time to stop drinking the pool water. Luckily, we have a saltwater pool, not a chlorine pool. Although still, right, we don't want him drinking the water. But this is one of his favorite things to do. And sometimes if we just come out here for a little bit, Loki's in the pool on the top step. He loves it. And he always cools himself off on the top step. Always has to lay down. And that's exactly what Wyatt did too. He used to go in, jump in, lay down, get himself a drink, get out, and then dry off on my towels. And I realized when I was putting my video together, sometimes I don't get to it till the night right before I'm posting, but I started pulling it together that I did not film Monday. I honestly don't even know what happened. So sorry about that. I was trying to think about what happened on Monday, and I can't even remember what I wore or what happened that day. So there you go. It must have been an insanely crazy day. Quick update on my dad. He is back in the hospital. It's been a really rocky road for him. So he is back in the hospital this time, not for low blood sugar, this time for a low blood count, I guess it is. So, and he has another UTI. So this is another thing that keeps happening, is these UTIs. So that messes everything all up for him. So that's the latest on him. And for my outfit today, I have on cut from the cloth shorts from a JB Stylebox. I have on an LNA tank, also from a JB Stylebox. And then I have this little jacket from Steve Madden that I got last year, I think it was, but also from a JB Stylebox. Go figure. I didn't plan that. And for shoes, not from JB Stylebox, I have on these. They are by Dolce Vita, and I got them in a Stitch Fix. For jewelry, I just put on the necklace my husband got me, and we're off and running. I'll see you tomorrow for final outfit of the day. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is gorgeous out here today. 68 already, getting up to 80. The sun is out, the sky is blue, which is all fabulous. And I'm going to try to get a video done for you all this morning, and then I'm hoping to get some full time. So hopefully that's how the day goes. We shall see. And for my video today, my Cupshe haul posted. This was a fall haul. Amazing pieces at even better prices. You really need to check that out. I really am enjoying some of their newer styles that have been coming out. So please do stop by and check out that video before all those pieces are gone, because they do sell out so fast. And for my final outfit today, I have on a one and done denim dress. Love this. This one is by Cloth & Stone. I got it in a Trendsend, and it's just a classic, great dress. I think I got it last year or the year before. Paired it with my seashell flip-flops that I'm in love with. This one is one with the heel. And then I have on a Goriana necklace, and that's it. That's it for today. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. So as always, I will list all of my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, and all the box links are down there too. Can't wait to hear what your favorite was this week. My dad is still in the hospital. They're trying to figure out, at this point, it's like palliative care, right? How to control his hemoglobin levels so that he's not constantly going back to the hospital to deal with that issue. So hopefully we can come up with a solution. And then they're dealing with the UTI. So hopefully he can go back to the nursing facility in a few days. We shall see. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and swipe type so I can keep on going. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.